and a thin coat. You don't need to do a whole lot of it. Just thin coat is good. Today with like Sin will have a lot of cool idea with the chamfer foil. Okay, pop in a lamp for 30 seconds. Premiums, I hold chamfer foil. You just only need 30 seconds. If you accidentally keep for 60 seconds, it's totally fine. Great. And then I have the piece of this here. I'm gonna using it just like crinkle it. As usual, can I get the tweezers over there? Please, thank you. Right in front. This one is nice in the meantime. So beautiful. I'm so obsessed with this. See this? Good. Great. I'm crinkle it's really good now. I just need to do, this is for our St. Patty nails. It's pot of gold with clover. Okay, so however you want it, you don't have to make it perfect. I just want to background a little bit so then it doesn't look too much, but it doesn't take it away. If even like you can leave it alone like this, it looks so great though. It looks so freaking cute. Okay, great. I don't want too much. That's it. Just want a little hint in the background. And then I am going to using condensed glue gel. It's my condensed glue gel. And this one, if you have a troubleshooting with like keep your crystals stay on, or you can't even hold your 3D crystal stay on, this is a great good densities of condensed glue gel can hold your crystal in one place. Put this one, and also I am doing is a technique is really cool, encapsulating glitter right now. So thin coat. You don't need a whole lot for the first coat. Close the lid, wipe my brush, and I am going to use to get my some of my hearts right there for my rainbow heart. I'm really like thinking. I was thinking. Can you give me the heart? The gold heart, please. I'm like about to put the heart in here, but then the green gonna blend in the green. So if you want this green heart, you're doing a little bit lighter green. Then you can achieve it is I found right here. Just right there. You know what? Let's change the plan. It's okay, because I put the if I put the gold heart in there, it doesn't make a cloud. You know, the clover. So I'm gonna do I'm gonna put the top coat on, the no wipe top coat, and I'm gonna start doing a crystal placement for this because I have a plan for crystal placement for this one. So it's okay because then it stand out really nice as well. I am going to do the hearts, the clovers for the next nails, okay? It looks so pretty. I don't want to take away from then I need a yellow crystal though. Let me get some yellow, please. Yellows for green. I have whole collection of mine right here. When I travel, look at this. I have all of them together. I love them. So let's play with them. I have yellow right here. I love this, like really freaking cool though. Let's see what I can do with this. Okay, sometimes things change, and it's really cool, flexible that you can change from one design to the next with no hesitations and no afraid of, like, just not bad. You know what? I think it's gonna be good if we put, I really want to do a pink one, but we're doing a theme of St. Patty. Hey, also, I think this one will be look good too. Hey, thank you. I got this one. But let me change that look. One of the things that happened like that, you're seeing it's a background that you pick. Like for instance, I am sitting here with you, and then sometimes a client's like, and you or talking about this, and you didn't realize that. It doesn't matter. Even I have so many years of experience. Hey, you still like get that, you know, idea. But it's the matter I would like to share with you here is we can able to flexible. Like as you are an artist, you can able to like a flexible change it. It's no problem at all. No panic. We get it down. So I'm using all my green. I don't know. You can do a green. Lemons. Hold on. What is that called? Lemon green or whatever. Looks like really cool to me. Hold on. Let me see it. I know. Is this green or is yellow? What do you think though? What do y'all think? It looks like yellow. It can be green. Hold on. This is green. So that is yellow. I have it yellow, but this is green right there. This is green.
Yeah, it's yellow.
This is yellow. Okay. Yeah. No frustrated. Just enjoy, love what I'm doing. If think it doesn't like, oh hey, the plan change, we just go with the flow. And actually it turned out great. You need to do it more. Go beads. You want more, you add more on it. No one can stop you from do crystal placement more than you're planning. Sometimes me and my clients, we enjoy, hey, we want to do this, and then we turn out we have whole bling on like all entire nails. How about that? As long as she like it and you enjoying it. I'm really enjoying it, and like tonight I say, oh hey, totally. My plan it was to put the green called, you know, like clover. But hey, I'm gonna do on the other nails. It's actually better than the other nails. Look at that. Hey, you know what? I picked the green right here instead of yellow. They're so close. Look at that. I don't know. Is that green?
That's green.
Okay, whatever. Okay, cameraman will say green. Well, Lily need to see what is the green or yellow. But hey, doesn't matter. It's matching with the base.
Not perfectly matched, but it works.
It works. Well, if the clients, all the clients are watching on Instagram and Facebook didn't complain, then I'm okay, right? Thank you guys for your love and support. We wouldn't be here without every single of you. Thank you so much for making a time to tuning in. It makes the live is so much more fun when you are participate, and then we do it just for you. And hope every single live video you get to learn something and bring it back to your business and make a massive your business, unleash your potentials, and not only to make yourself feel really good, feel productive every day, to try the new designs and the new techniques. Also make your clients so happy because they are so proud to see their nail tech who's proud to be a nail tech, serving them and take care of them for a whole year or many years. I have clients from like so many years, 14 years. I got an opportunity to do like, I think it's 4 generations in the family. But then you always make them proud and you treat it like your career. So then the people feel it, people can sense it from your heart. And that is that will bring you the massive business. Trust me, it's gonna go really good right back to you. So thank you so much for having us. What happened to that? Excuse me, sorry, Instagram. Oh, it was an hour already, you think?
No. It just crashed.
Hey, sorry, Instagram. We didn't know that it was somehow a crash or something like that. I didn't know.
It's 45 minutes it crashed.
Is it 45 minutes?
No, about 30-ish.
Okay. It's okay.
Just hey, welcome everybody.
Hey, thank you so much for tuning back in. We didn't know. I keep talking. It feels so weird. I keep talks, and all of you are gone because of... Yeah. Looks so cute. If you want more beads, you put more. If you're happy with this, you are good to go. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. And then we'll go back. When we come back, we're not using a precision glue. If you want to put some beads here, you're more than welcome. But I'm really happy with this. Hold on 1 second. I need a piece of paper to wipe it off on the sides. So do not using a raw hand. I did it sometime, but I want to show you using, if you have a gloves, you can wipe with your gloves. But if not, using a piece of paper. All right, pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds. Debbie, can you ever do a video of ombre using a beauty gels? At the moment, we do not have the beauty gels products to show to you, but please stay tuned for more video in the futures, as we always have a newest products coming in, but at the moment we don't. Yeah. Hello. Thanks so much for tuning back in. We're so excited for you to coming back. Let me go into a different nails. We'll wait for about 60 seconds. Okay. I'm gonna using precision glue. This is one of a Crystal best friends. I love it. It's helped me so much on my Hey, hi Angie, how are you? Hi from Florida. I'm gonna using this. I love this, guys. I'm using a needle size, and the needle ends will help me so much. Well, if you need the smaller size of the crystal along with the cuticle area is halo, you can using on the brush, which is on this end. I'm not open yet because I'm using this needle side. So I'm gonna squeeze just a little bit, and well, not necessary you have to turn it. If I'm start feeling and checking, like do a little exam right here, I feel scratchy, I am gonna feel it a little bit. You're gonna just squeeze just really lightly. You don't want to flood your crystals, so just quick squeeze. I'm so excited because today we'll have a lot of freaking nice nails we're gonna share with you, so please stay tuned. We're gonna go to a lot of cool nails. All right, so then I feel everything good, but now wait, we're not done yet. I am gonna using my little twin tip brush size, which is from, this is the size that I'm used to apply the condensed glue gel. I'm using the other ends, which is the twin tip brush and also the detail brush, however you would like to call it yourself. But it works both ways. You see me doing a lot of arts with this one as well. Great for beginners. Like, it's so compact, 2-in-1. You don't have to worry about you have a zillion brush in your station. so lightly blend, because if you don't want to blend this, then after you key it, it's gonna have a lumpy, bumpy look. Great. Happy with this. Pop in the lamp for about 60 seconds, and this nail are completely done. Thank you so much. Thank you, Foxy. It's such a awesome. It just really changed the game of crystal placement. So I'm wipe my brush, close this slits on, and let me close that little needles, because this is closed and keep it from spillings and clocking from your needle size. And I'm gonna show you this. And if you need to optimize around the cuticles, like some of the smaller SS3, SS4, SS5, you can use that brush on that side. But if you need to doing a bigger, if you need to do a bigger crystals, like just a piece earlier that I did, you probably want to using condensed glue gels instead of precision glue. Yes. Can you show the marble nails again? I got kicked out and didn't get to see the finished product. The marble nails again. This one, sweetie. Here's a final look of marble nails. Also, we have a lot of marble nails. This one I did 4 colors, but we can see a lot of them with 2 colors. And then more picture if you scroll like up or down on a lot of posts on a video, you got to see this 1 colors. You are very welcome. You will never go wrong with this if you're using that crystal clears. Just helps so much. Look at that, it's super cute. This is gonna be his final look for this nails.